This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roger Remington. Turnkey rental cabin with breathtaking view of the Cohutta Mountains. Beautiful custom log cabin with the advantages of a subdivision community without the fees and restrictions. Walking into this home, you have an open floor plan with cathedral ceilings. Each level of this home includes a spacious bedroom and bathroom. The lower level is set up with a game room and an extra sleeping area. Sit out on the back deck with a fireplace going and enjoy the peaceful serenity of the mountains. Most furniture included. For more information, review the details below or contact Roger Remington at 678-358-8727.